Hello guys, good morning. It's my birthday today. April 3. Okay, today is April 3, 2025. So, I'm going to have my simple birthday celebration today. Pero hindi naman bongga, just to make me happy na siguro may cake lang, may pansit. That's it. Wala namang bisita. So, go, go, go! But before that, let's go to the backyard. I want to make me feel happy for my tulips. My tulips give me a relaxing moment just to stare with them. Come on, let's go to the backyard. Go, go, go! Rupa May! Oh guys, andito na ako sa backyard. Let's go, let's see the tulips. Go. Ayun, ang tulips that make me happy. Okay, mag-picture tayo sa tulip. Picture muna, picture. Okay, ayan, nakapag-picture na tayo. Tara. At bibidyohan ko naman sila. Guys, ganitong angulo naman tayo magpipicture. Wait, tara. Picture.
Yan, masaya na ako kasi nakapagpa-picture na ako dito sa tulip na kulay orange. Tulips na kulay purple. At tulips na kulay white. So happy! Moment with my tulips. Moment with my tulips. My birthday moment with my tulips. Ayan lang, masaya na ako kahit wala nang handa. Kasi ako nagtanim nito. Yearly, nagbibigay siya ng bulaklak. Hindi ko na kinakalkal yung bulb. Yung mga bulbs, basta tinbayaan ko lang sila dyan. Tapos ayan, every springtime, ayan na, lumalabas na sila. So I'm happy. Bye for now. See you later. Guys, tingnan ninyo yung kalamansi ko. Ang daming bulaklak. Look.
Hello guys, magmula sa backyard, papasok ng bahay, nakita ko si Mateo may ginagawa sa ibabaw ng table at tinuturuan siya or ginaguide siya ng mami niya. Ngayon, hindi ako nagpahalata na nakikita ko yung ginagawa niya. And then, meron ako nakitang isang maliit na flower vase na nakalagay sa maliit na bag. I'm sure ibibigay din niya sa akin yun. Ayan, nakita ko silang mag-ina at busy. Yun pala, ginagawaan niya ako ng birthday card. At excited siya sa paggawa ng birthday card. At after that, in-interview siya ng mami niya kung para saan yung birthday card na yun.
Okay, so what did you prepare?
I prepared a card for Mama
Why?
because it's her birthday today.
Can you show me what it looks like? Can you show me? Oh, okay. And how about, what's that? What's the other one? Your gift. Is that your gift to Mama?
Yeah, this is my gift to Mama.
Thank you so much, Mateo. You're so sweet. At ayan na nga guys, ang nakakatawa, sabi ng mami niya surprise. Pagkakita niya sa akin, biglang inaabot na niya sa akin yung Yung surprise. Bali, hindi na surprise. Kaya naman, kunwari, hindi ko alam na meron siyang ibibigay sa akin na card, na birthday card, at saka maliit na flower. So, ito na, tara na. Kunwari, hindi ko alam. What is that?
This is your present.
Did you do this for me?
Yeah, we made this for you.
Wow, thank you so much. Read it for me.
Yes, I'll
Okay.
read it for you. Happy birthday, Mama. Love, Mateo. Here's the letter I gave you.
Okay.
Dear Mama Bless, I love you very much. Thank you for taking care of me and feeding me and cooking the best sinigang. I also want to thank you for helping me do daily routines. God bless you always. Love, Mateo.
Wow, thank you so much. Can I hug you?
How old are
I
you?
love you too.
How old are
Why
you?
are you always asking my age? I'm 69 years old. Okay. And after that, ipinabigay naman sa kanya ng mami niya yung card na ginawa ng mami niya para sa akin. Wow! Thank you.
Can you read it for us, please?
Wow!
She gave you $1.
Wow! This is the most I like.
That's not a dollar. Can you read it closely?
Thank you for the dollars. Okay, oh, you
She
read.
gave you 100 money.
Wow, thank you. Okay, oh, you read. Oh, that's mine. Don't give it to us. This is mine, okay? Oh.
Dear Mama, happy 69th birthday. More healthy and blessed birthdays to come.
Blessed.
Blessed birthdays to come. God bless you always. We love you. From Johnny and Ever.
Thank you. Thank you, Everett and Johnny. Love you too. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you, Johnny and Everett, for this card. And this is the most wonderful gift for the day. Thank you, and I love you too. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Birthday to me. Ito naman si Nikki, yung apo ko na nasa London, at siya naman ay kumanta para sa akin ng happy birthday to me. Thank you, Nikki. I love you. Hello guys. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. So itong handa ko, ayan. Ang red ribbon na chocolate flavor at red ribbon na pansit. Pansit ano ba to? Ano bang pansit ito? Oh, pansit palabok. Ayan ang aking handa. Tapos, may hopya pa. Ayan, yan ang special hopya. And then, meron din tayong chowking na chicken. Ayan ang aking handa. Oh, matakaw kayo. Ay. Ang sarap, ang bango. Bango. At meron tayong bulaklak dito. Fresh na fresh. At meron din akong balloon. Okay? Ano akala nyo? Wala akong balloon? Ito ang aking balloon. Ayan, ang mga balloon ko. Ayan ang mga balloon ko. Road Patrol, Spider-Man, ano pa, Paw Patrol pala yun. At saka ito ay Mickey Mouse. Oh, see? Ano kala nyo wala akong balloon? Ayan. O, di ba ang saya? Ang saya-saya. Ayan ako, Diyos mio. Nadidepleted na yata yung mga balloons ko. Okay, so di ba ang saya? O, tingnan nyo. Ayan ang aking handa. Okay, so let's sing. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Clap your hands. At pagkatapos ng kumanta ng happy birthday to me, biglang may nag-doorbell.
Hello, I'm delivery from Basilda.
Oh yeah, that's her.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah,
Wow,
happy birthday.
thank you. Wow, let us take a video. Let's. Wow, can I read? Can happy birthday. You're the best. And then the other balloon.
And then there's a card.
Can I read the other balloon?
There's a card.
Can I read the other balloon? This one. Fabulous woman, happy birthday. And this one, okay?
There's a card that you can get to read it.
Can I hold it and take a video of me? Wow! It's so beautiful. Can I read the card? Can I read the card? Can I read the card? Wait. Saan ba galing to? Pittsburgh Florist, 256 Atlantic Avenue, Pittsburgh, California. Blesilda Chongson, and then my address. And what is the message? Can I read the message? Oh no, baka mabagsak. Okay, happy birthday, Ate Essie. Enjoy your special day. Love from Aprestos. Ano to? Down Under? Why is it down under? Ano yung sabihin?
Australia, land down under.
Okay, from Australia. Thank you, Anne. I love you, Apresto family. I love you, AJ. I love you, Kobe. I love you, Anne and Jong. Thank you so much. Galing pa ng Australia to. Hindi, joke. Thank you. It's so beautiful. Take a close-up of the flower, please. Thank you so much. It's a surprise. I didn't know that you will send flower. Thank you so much.
And balloons.
And balloons. Thank you so much, Anne. Oh guys, akala ko recycled lang yung ano ko, yung balloons ko. Meron palang totoong balloon na nagpadala sa akin. Thank you, Anne. Ito, ayan, ito hindi to recycle. Ayun yung recycle, yung mga Spider-Man at saka yung mga ano. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3, and
Let us sing.
happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear myself. Happy birthday to you. I will make a wish first. Health for all of us. For me, Ebert, Bjorn, Lex, Johnny, Mateo, and Nikki, and the coming baby healthy.
What about mom?
Mom, who's mom? Mommy, yeah, your mom. Oh, yeah.
And I want to
And the
celebrate
baby,
my
and baby
69th
Bella.
anniversary.
69th birthday.
Yeah, 69th birthday. Okay, that is my
Birthday
wish.
anniversary.
Okay.
Blow the candle.
Okay, tapos na palabas. At kinagabihan ng birthday ko. Hello, manood kami ng sine. Happy birthday to me. What time is it, Mateo?
7:27.
7:27.
A Minecraft.
A Minecraft movie. Minecraft ang papanoorin namin. See you later, alligator. Dito kami manonood ng sine. Pasok na kami sa loob ng sine.